Hello, everyone. Welcome to this month's Feature of the Month. Today, I will be discussing BlueCat's PMO. My name is Leandra Hurlbert, and I am one of the project managers within BlueCat's Project Management Office, or PMO. Our office is designed to further support our customers' technical project from a more managerial and administrative perspective. There's no doubt customers will receive top-notch technical expertise from our consultants team, but the BlueCat PMO is just an added line of defense to accelerate that time to value for our new and existing customers across all BlueCat product lines. Customers are first introduced to their project manager at the start of the project, of course. We begin by scheduling what we call a readiness meeting, where the PM will walk the customer team through the detailed project process and the flow of the project engagement. We introduce the technical teams, we review project goals, objectives, and the scope of work, and then we also take a look at the prerequisites required to actually begin the project. This initial discussion aligns the project team and clearly outlines that path to success. And then following this first meeting and the completion of all of the required prerequisites, we have a more formal kickoff meeting. So here, the BlueCat technical team, the consultants, will dive into more of that nitty-gritty scope of the project and outline that plan to accomplish those tasks successfully. Once the project is officially kicked off, the project manager continues to provide guidance and support to keep the team on track. So the PM really acts as that central point of contact for the project team, leveraging status meetings, updates, and our PM software to really unify the group and not only improve, but encourage collaboration. One of the best assets BlueCat project managers have at our disposal is Monday.com. This is a well-known cloud-based project management software. You may have seen some of their commercials on TV. Using Monday.com, BlueCat PMs can easily manage projects, resourcing, scheduling, action items, and a lot more. And one of the more helpful aspects from a customer perspective is that the Monday software allows customers to have unlimited access to their project dashboard throughout the duration of the engagement. So at any time, customers can log in and see the latest status updates, any upcoming tasks, documentation, and the project schedule. Well, of course, we always encourage our customers to reach out to project managers directly at any time for questions or requests. Monday does just offer another effective way for customers to stay informed with the latest project updates and resourcing because it is updated live. So any updates I make right now on my side, customers will see immediately on their side. That being said, I wanted to show you what one of those customer dashboards look like. So at the beginning of the project or after the kickoff meeting, your project manager will provide the customer team with a private and secure link directly to their dashboard. And we usually send that via email. And once you click that link, this is what you'll see. Of course, it will be a little bit more specific to your company name and your team name. For the sake of this example, will be a little vague. But this is the first thing you see. It's just at first kind of a general overview of the project. Starting on the left here, we have the project name and usually the technologies that we're going to be working with. The type of project, the BlueCat project team. So this will include your project manager, consultant, your customer success manager, and then any support packages you have. Below that, we also add in the high-level scope of the project just so that it's front and center for everyone to see and that we remain on target to complete all of those objectives. In the middle here, we have the project update box, probably the more important of all of the ones on this page, because this is the one that's going to be updated more regularly. At the top, you're going to have an overview of your current budget status, whether it's green, red, or yellow, the percent utilized, and then the latest update. We'll always have the date that it was last updated. And then usually it could be action items, completion of milestones, upcoming agenda items, anything like that. Just kind of the latest update that the project has so you have a snapshot of where the project currently stands. And then below that, we also have a section for previous notes. So once we update this, we copy and paste the last update down here so that we have that repository of all project updates that we can refer back to at any time. It's also good if you have been out of office and just kind of want to catch up on what the project team has been up to. Over here on the right side, we have probably one of the more helpful, in my opinion, widgets that Monday offers, which is this deliverable status box. It provides a quick visual overview of project process and project percent complete. The best part is that it's actually interactive. So you can click into any of these bars here if you wanted to see, for example, what tasks are currently in progress. Go ahead and click into that, and it's going to pull up another box with just those tasks in progress, their current timeline, the owner, and then any notes that they may have as well. So you can check in on items that are upcoming and items that have been completed as well. Just a great quick project update if you didn't have time or just didn't want to dive into the actual project plan. That being said, we do include the link to your project plan and any other required boards such as E-raids or contact lists, just kind of depends on the project. Here you can actually be directed to the full project plan and other project boards if you'd like to check those out and see the latest in there. We also provide any documentation links for links that the consultant or any of the other project team members may have sent you throughout the project. That way it's just all in one space and you don't have to go digging through your email to find something that was sent maybe a couple weeks ago. Then the last box here is project governance. So here you're going to find when your weekly status calls are, when any upcoming technical sessions are, as well as the project team PTO or upcoming holidays. And this is just, again, kind of keep it front and center so that everyone is aware and we can avoid having any time off or holidays affect the project schedule. So that's kind of an overview of what the customer dashboard looks like and how it can really help customers stay informed throughout the engagement with their BlueCat team. In conclusion, BlueCat project managers use their expertise and their experience and then our gold standard project management tool, Monday.com, to really help bridge silos and accelerate goals during our BlueCat projects. And that's everything I have for you guys today. Thanks so much for your time.